Hello everyone, I am Anvita. Today I want to tell about how to create a login or sign up page with the help of five-star database using node.js express.js. Now let us get into it. Here I had created a h1.js file. In this first I had initialized the express.js and I had declared a variable called port equals to 3000, which is the server number in my local computer. And I had initialized the five-star database by using these two lines. Here the service account key which is provided by the five-star database and I had named it as key12.js and I had initialized the key and I had declared a variable called db to get the data from the five-star database. Get five-star of method is used. And I had connected the view engine with the express.js and here m1.ejs which serves as a dashboard for my website. Now let us look into the EJS file. So this is the EJS file. It contains the basic styling and the HTML. So it contains login or sign up. Whenever the existing user wants to sign in, then it will ask the user for the two details, email and password. If the user is already existed means their details will be stored in the database. So it has to fetches the data from the database. If password and email are matches, that means as we know that in the database, the data will be stored in the NoSQL format. That means in the document format. So the document size is greater than 0 means already the user is existed. That means it contains some data. So then the user will directly navigate into the after login page. Otherwise, it will show as wrong credentials. If the user is a new user to our website, then he or she should have to sign up for the first time. So they have to provide the basic details like name, email, and password. And here it checks that is the email is valid or not. Is the password is valid password or not? They are providing that. If the email is not valid, then invalid email format message will be displayed. And here I had created a constant called password must contain at least one number. Okay. Whenever it is possible to create an account for a user with the provided details, then it will get the details and create a snapshot in the database. And here in the Dolphin collection, it will add the full name, email, and password into the five-star database. So then the user will directly navigate into the after login page. Otherwise, it will show as error. Now let us see after login page. So this is the main web page. This is the styling. So these are the option values. So this is the API key which is provided by the newsapi.org and this is the website link. Whenever there is a producer error, then it will show as error fetching news. Otherwise, it will show as fetching news and the news will be displayed. This is the after login page code. Now let us look into sign in. Sign in means already existing user will get into the sign in page. So this is the basic style. So user have to give only the email and password. If these are correct, then the user will directly navigate into the direct after login page. Sign up page is for the new users. So the user have to provide some basic information like full name, email ID, and password. So these are the codes. Now let us look into the functionality of the website. You can now open in any browser and search for the localhost colon with our port number. Our port number is 3000. This site can be because we are not compiled the program. So first we have to compile the program. Okay? So to compile a JS file, we have to give more space h1.js in the terminal. So the app listening at port 3000. So website. So now let us look into the functionality of our website. So first sign up. Full name. First now let us test the email. So it display a message. So it is not a valid email. So password. So the password must contain at least one number as we know that. Sign up again. Now let us give the password with the numbers. So after the sign up, the user will directly navigate into the main website. So we have to select the genre here like business, entertainment, health, science, sports, technology like that. Let us search for entertainment and fetch the news. So these are the news across the globe device. Okay, now look into our Telegram chatbot collection. So here in the file store, one document is added in the Dolphin collection. So this is the email, full name, and password which is provided by us in the web page. These details will be stored like this. Okay, now let us go through with the login. Okay, now let us look it with wrong credentials. So wrong credentials message will be displayed. Okay. We have given password as 12345. So the user will directly navigate into the main website. So this is the main functionality of my web page. And the details will be stored like this in the cloud first. Let us look into the entertainment or sports. Right? So the news will be displayed like this. Thank you so much.